Wagwan YouTube, you don't know Shickaa Chung, and I'm back at it again today with another video. In today's video, it is Vlogmas day 22, guys. So yes, so today's Vlogmas, I'm gonna just be doing a little short mukbang. I am eating curry chicken with brown rice and vegetable. I'm trying to be more healthier with my eating. So yeah, this is what I'm eating, but my drink is not that healthy. I'm drinking eggnog just to be festive with the Christmas season. And don't cuss me about how me I eat curry and I drink eggnog. Yes, me know what can happen, but I seen it in the fridge and I'm like, I never drank none since the season started. So let me just drink some. But yes, guys, oh my god, I have to update you guys with something. I can't remember which day it was, but the day when I did my exam and I was there saying I'm sad and I'm crying because I failed my exam. Which I never said I failed it, but I did. I failed my exam. That's why I was sad. Guys, I thought I failed the class. Good girl passed the class with 83. So I was crying for no reason. So I'm so happy for that. Like, I was so happy. Kemar. Say wagwan. Whatcha?
Do you want to build that? What is that?
Eggnog.
You know, say me, go say something, but I show you how to eat and tell me, I'm eat some of your phone, brother.
Just come here, me.
You say booming rice, what you say? Booming like yesterday, today, and tomorrow.
This is just browning rice. I said browning rice. This is just brown rice.
Come here, say one no.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, but the rice now, I'm not even know how to say it tastes like.
A brown rice. Look how man I eat up my food. Come, a long time I see you. Come.
Yeah, I show me up.
True what?
I show me up.
I want to show you a but yeah, people, the place is so cold. That's why you see me wrap up in a blanket. It's just super cold right now.
Yeah, post it. No, where you phone now? Post it for you in tube.
Yeah. So wagwan.
Wagwan.
You look so shy. Yeah, guys. Kemar finally made an appearance on his own without me forcing the camera in his face. So yes, welcome back to the channel. Oh wow.
I'm going to food off here, more.
What kind of food have from more?
Yeah, see, you know,
You couldn't take it off for me?
No.
Why not? Oh God, yes guys, so
Yo, I want to see if you're tough, brother. You know, I'm like it.
They're chewy, sweetie.
No, laps, no, brother.
No, laps, they're like the toffee.
No, brother, they're not tough like a...
Those are toffee. You chat too much. So yeah, guys, so I had plans to do a gingerbread house today. Okay, bye. I had plans to do a gingerbread house today with my nephew, but we were on the road all day today because today was my only day off that I was able to do things. So we're on the road all day today and got home and we're kind of tired. So we need to do that before Christmas. Guys, Christmas is in 3 days. Yo, next year, I mean, not next year, laps. Next week, next year. Next week, January 2022. Life I move fast, man. The year I move fast. It coming like this year didn't even happen. Like honestly, when I think about this year, I forgot that I was in Jamaica for like half the year. But honestly, guys, this year opened up my eyes to a lot of things. It allowed me to, this year and last year, but this year, you know, I had to put everything in action. I really gathered up my thoughts when it comes towards like business and just my life and what I want for my life. So this year really, you know, allowed me to think about what I want for my future. So guys, for like 2022, You have to press the push start button. Every year we always say, oh, 2022, 2020. Like, we always say we're gonna, do something different, which, yes, you should do something different in the following year to, uplift yourself and reach your goals. So, guys, right now, I'm about to start writing my goal book because every year I do write a goal book to, see what kind of goals I can achieve in the year. And at the end of the year, I check off like what I have accomplished from what I have not. And then I go from there. So I'm about to do that just now for the one that I made for this year. And then I'm going to not rewrite, but I'm going to write what I need to do for next year. There's a few things on that list that I honestly did not get to do because I was in Jamaica for so long, because those things I was supposed to start from early in the year. So those things that I didn't get to do, I'm going to transfer it onto my 2022 goal book, and hopefully I could achieve those goals. But guys, let me know in the comments if you guys do stuff like that. If you guys do vision boards, if you guys like write down your goals for the years, let me know if you guys do that. And yeah, guys, the chicken are bad. I'm not tell no lie, this curry, it bad. It just say one, just like Kemar say. It's a one. But yeah, guys, it was a quick video for today. Wanted to jump on here and just talk about randomness, and you guys at least got to see Kemar. Yeah, guys, so I'm just gonna continue finishing eating up my dinner and then go to my bed. I have a long day tomorrow. I'm working from 9 to 10:30 at night. So I have to just get some rest and prepare myself for tomorrow. Tomorrow will be Vlogmas day 23. Oh my god. All right, guys, make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below and stay tuned for the next video. Bye, guys.